Hello, YouTube. So I'm tired. I need to sleep. So it's already 5 past. I think 5:15 a.m. in the morning. So yeah, I just want to share the types of no the changes I've had, the changes in my life. I'm just this is my just my way of for an outlet for being too quiet, but I will not talk so many in not share uh, all. I can share all. I can share everything that happened in my life, and yeah, I I can just share some, and only I can focus on for now the things that that is happening to me now. So the things that are happening to me now. So, yeah, the changes I want to share the changes on the food choices that I'm I'm, I'm having now. So the last time I shared about the food choices I eat na, so I'm eating more than 10 bananas every day. So but now it dropped down to maybe six bananas. Mm, just about 2 days ago. So because I'm try I, I can't process the translation in my brain, so from Tagalog to English. So I recently, for maybe about 2 days ago, I lessened bananas, the banana, yeah, the bananas I eat. So because I'm afraid that I might be getting diabetes at an early, and it's not early anymore for me. So you know, I could get diabetes uh, sooner if I continue to eat too much banana. And because I also drink sweet juices and not energy drinks but the thirst quenchers, and sometimes I'm also having soda drinks. So I think I have to cut down the sugar intake. So because yeah, in my age, I'm already yeah, weak, and I'm in danger of having many health health problems, more more than when I was on my 20s to 30s. So yeah, I can't go back to the the way I eat before. I'm the change that that change make me uh, wiser, and no, I can say I'm wiser, but I'm finished already enjoying the good food, the the foods, and uh, the the many delicious foods. I'm finished already enjoying them, but for now I can enjoy uh, not too frequent, or yeah, I can enjoy only 2 to 3 days or a week, all the cakes and donuts, and but I'm I'm not already having too much of that. I can't remember when was the last time I bought donut for my for as treats. Because last year I'm buying almost maybe every week, once a week. But now I can't do that. I'm afraid that I might get sick already. So I change, and yeah, I'll add the the drinks I'm having. So not just energy. No, I'm not having any thirst quenchers and sweet juice like pineapple and orange and mango juice. The process, I still drink that, but not as much as what I'm taking when I was younger. So, and now I am, I really am drinking more. I, I don't know. I try to drink more water and than the juice and soft drinks and sodas and the thirst quenchers. So, and I also um, I also add the lemon juice, the natural lemon, eh, or calamansi. I squeeze on the water, the natural. I squeeze a bit of lemon concentrate on the water, and or calamansi concentrate on the water, and I drink it every time I finish a meal. For example, 2 to 3 to after one meal, I squeeze lemon juice concentrate on water, and after that I will drink also water. So it helps me digest the food I'm eating. And the the reason I don't have problem in um what you call that, the I don't I the reason I don't have problem on digesting even if I eat 10 pieces of medium sized bananas. The reason is because I'm drinking 1 to 2 glass of milk in the evening after the the meal after dinner. Yeah. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm not having difficulty on I forgot the but yeah digesting overnight. So I don't get constipated at, in the morning. So because if I, I think if you overeat or bananas, you will have difficulty on trying to poop the next day. So yeah, I that's the reason why I'm not having difficulty on pooping the next day. I drink 2 glass of milk, fresh milk. Uh, After that, I drink water again before I go to sleep. So